Everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to connect the wallet in the Goat application. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow this video till the end to get to know about it. So just go on the main application of the Goat and you will see the connect wallet option on the middle of the screen. Just tap on it. Once you do it, you will see that the menu of the different sort of wallets appear up. So you can connect either of the wallet as you like. You can connect like wallet on Telegram, Tonekeeper, MyTone wallet, ToneHub, D wallet, Bitget wallet, SafePal, OKX TR wallet, Hot, Bybit, Gateway. So for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my Telegram wallet with the Code application. In order to do so, just tap on Connect Wallet in Telegram and wait till you see an option in order to connect it. So here you can see that Goat wants to connect to Tone Space, and right next to it my address of the Telegram wallet. So I'll just need to tap on Connect Wallet option. Make sure that you already have a Telegram wallet in order to do so. If you don't have any Telegram wallet, it's okay. You can go with the one you already have. So that's how you can connect the wallet with the Telegram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.